How do you say my name is in Portuguese? The phrase my name is in Portuguese is chamo-me, chamo-me. Chamo-me João. Chamo-me João. My name is João. Olá, chamo-me Sofia. Olá, chamo-me Sofia. Hello, my name is Sophia. Chamo-me Pedro. E tu? Chamo-me Pedro. E tu? My name is Pedro. And you? The phrase chamo-me comes from the verb chamar-se, which is a reflexive verb meaning to call oneself. So literally, chamo-me means I call myself. Chamo, I call, me, myself. Chamo-me Luís, prazer. Chamo-me Luís, prazer. My name is Luís. Nice to meet you. E tu, como te chamas? Eu chamo-me Inês. E tu, como te chamas? Eu chamo-me Inês. And you, what's your name? I'm Inês. Chamo-me Miguel. Sou português. Chamo-me Miguel. Sou português. My name is Miguel. I'm Portuguese. So if you want to say my name is in Portuguese, you can say chamo-me. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!